Hello there, Gateway. It's May 2024. Right, I've received a parcel today from a friend of mine on YouTube. His name is Andy VHB. If you don't know who he is, type it in at the top of the search bar and go check out his videos. Yes, and here is the parcel. Is. Let's open it. Oh, papers. Let's have a look. $15 for that. Oh heck, it's a bit dear, that ain't it? Well, towards it's not, but for them it is. How many papers? Paper this, paper that. Oh well, I think that's to protect it. Yes, it is. Right, that's all the paper out, I think. No. Right, that's it all. Right, since the prices of these foods, isn't it? The prices, it's like steak and all that. Like $3.79. Hey, I would wish I was living over there. Right, so here we are. That's how much what we have to pay. £77.29. Right. Oh, look. We have a ps4. Pretty heavy. This box over there. This is the ps4 what Andy VHB sent for me for entering a competition on a YouTube account. Yes, it's very nice indeed. ps4. I opened the box anyway, so jet black, 500 gigabyte. Wow. There's the ps4 on the front. I will open it. 500 GB. ps4. Sony. And let's open this. Try and go long, you know, for this video. Right, we have brought a plug for this, so I'll show you things. They're the earphones. They're for the earphones. You talk somewhere through that. I'm not quite sure like that. That's the cables. And this is the socket plug. It's kind of different to ours, isn't it, people? In the UK. That's their socket plug. We need to see if this works. Because if not, you have to. I'll fix that soon. Right, so we have here the ps4 sign. We have this baby. Get 50 points, $5 value. Get PlayStation Store codes, more with your Sony reward points. Then get started with $10 to spend. Get the latest games, movies, and TV shows. But over here, we can watch TV shows on this as well. So if you're interested in buy one of these, get one. The controller is weird. I've never seen a controller what looks like this. I'm not sure what that bit's for there at the top. If you know, comment below. And the big baby box. Oh, there's some more wires here. And that's the ps4. I ain't gonna get it out because I don't want to get on it yet. Yeah, so thank you Andy once again. Hey Andy, I'll still be coming in to them competitions, pal. But next time, pal, would you able to send them a card through or something? It'd be easier, like, wouldn't it? So we'll put that plug in there. Controller. The back for the controller. And there you have it. A ps4. Dun dun dun. Yes, that's my cup of coffee. So Andy, thank you so much, pal. Got your job done in today. I've always wanted a ps4. Right, I'm gonna have to go now because this phone's playing up. It keeps freezing all the time. Hello, hey Andy. Right, that's all from me. Ciao for now.